Hi guys, nice to be with you again. Today again it's me and Paulina. My wife is doing a makeup on a bride today, so she might join us a little bit later on. My second daughter, she's hanging out on the beach. And me and Paulina stuck at home. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna do a stuffed pepper. Okay, so again I'm gonna show you step by step what I'm doing, how I'm doing everything, and we're gonna do it in the Kazan. Let's go and start everything. Today happened to be one of the most beautiful days in a long time. It's very nice, breezy, fresh air. As I said, we're gonna do the stuffed pepper, mashed chicken, and we're gonna put some lamb inside also. And it's gonna be onion, tomatoes, rice, and potatoes. Okay, so I'm gonna start mashing the chicken leg quarters. I have over here approximately around 6 chicken leg quarters. Okay, so I took them out of the bone. I prepared them. Now that I mashed the chicken, I'm gonna put 1.5 onion inside. So what I'm gonna do with the onion, also I'm gonna chop it with the machine. Okay, this time I'm not gonna take the juice out. I'm gonna put everything inside because I want it to be a little bit juicy. I'm gonna add the onion. After adding the chicken and onion, now I'm gonna have to add the rice. The rice is 1.5 piole. Remember last video I showed you what a piole is? So it's 1.5. I put it inside the water for the past half an hour. So let me just take the water out. I'm gonna add the 1.5 cup of rice inside the mixture. So some of you last time asked, why do I soak the rice? It's always good to soak the rice because it becomes a little bit softer, so it cooks better. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but it's highly recommended. Now I'm gonna have to add salt and pepper, approximately this much, and I'm gonna taste it again and see if it's missing. I'm gonna add a little bit more, and black pepper. That's it. Now I'm gonna mix the whole thing. Now don't mix it in a high speed because you don't want to break the rice, okay? So you gotta do it nice and slow. All right, the mixture is ready. Now we're gonna have to let it stay a little bit until we're gonna prepare the rest. We're gonna cut tomatoes around 6 pieces and put them inside the pot underneath. It doesn't really matter what size. You can do small, big, it's up to you. You can see how I'm doing, and you can do like that. I cut 6 tomatoes. Okay, so before I'm gonna put it inside the pot, I'm gonna put a drizzle of olive oil on the bottom, and then I'm gonna add the tomatoes. And I'm gonna put a drop of salt, that's it, and black pepper. That's the only seasoning you put inside this food. On top of the tomatoes, I'm gonna add lamb. Now you can add beef, you can add veal, you can add chicken. I happen to like lamb, so I'm gonna put a little bit of lamb. I'll try to put big pieces. They look nicer when they're ready, and they're gonna taste amazing once they're done. So now I'm gonna start stuffing the pepper. Now the pepper, don't stuff it too much, then it's gonna be hard. Just like this, put it over here. Alright, now that I add the pepper inside, I'm going to put 1 jalapeno in the middle, just like this. See? Leave it there. And now let's add potatoes and chickpeas and tomato sauce. Alright, I'm going to cut the potatoes right now for 4. Just like this. Alright, the potatoes you just put like that. Looking good, no? I'm going to ask Paulina. Paulina, looking good or no?
Looking good.
Looking good, big time looking good. Now we're gonna put 2 cans of chickpeas, okay? So let me take it out of the can. 2 cans of chickpeas. We're just gonna put them all over. Okay, so like this. Looking very good. And I'm gonna put a 3/4 of a 15-ounce tomato sauce. You know what? I'm gonna put the whole can. A little bonus. That's it, this is ready. I'm gonna cover it right now. And I'm gonna go and start the fire. Let's go, that's it. Another nice meal while my wife is putting the makeup on the bride and my daughter Sharon is in the beach. But poor Paulina has to sit and take my video. I just wanna say a few things about Paulina. Paulina is the original YouTuber, so you guys should check her out. She does makeup tutorial? What is it?
Makeup tutorials.
Yeah, makeup tutorial. Trust me when I tell you. For all the ladies out there, if you want to know how to put makeup, you should check her videos. She's been doing it for many years. She does an amazing job, recognized by a lot of big companies. You know, so if you have a chance, check her out. under Polina Eliev.
Yes, Plina_Eliev on Instagram and Plina Eliev on YouTube.
Yeah, check it out. You're not gonna regret it. Okay, so I start the fire. I'm gonna put right now the pot over here. Show them the fire. Okay, I just put it. Look inside, no water. Okay, so I have like 6 tomatoes over there and tomato sauce. Actually, I put the whole can. I was gonna put three quarter, but I ended up putting the whole thing. So now this thing has to cook for 2 hours. Okay, so now all what I'm gonna do is once in a while I'm gonna update you, let you see what's going on inside, and then make sure the fire is nice, not too high. 15 minutes passed by. I just want to check what's going on inside, if it's boiling. Look, looking good so far. Okay, so what I see is boiling hard over there. Over here it's also boiling. Over here it's a little bit less, so I'm just gonna shift the wood a little bit, okay? Otherwise I didn't add any water, it's all tomatoes and tomato sauce. Otherwise it's looking good. We still have an hour and 45 minutes to go. Guys, just in case if you think cooking is difficult, it's not. I'm sitting on the sun. I have like an hour and 40 minutes to go. See, it's not that difficult. Girls, make your husband cook for you. Very easy. See you soon. Half an hour passed by. Just want to see myself what's going on and let you see it also. So let's see. Look, see, beauty with no water. So what we're gonna do right now is that we have to shake it, make sure it doesn't get stuck. Okay, so you gotta do this once in a while. Otherwise, it smells. You know, I like to smell my food. It smells amazing. Looking good. Keep you update. Okay. All right, 1 hour passed by. Just want to show you the fire and show you inside what's going on. I wish you could smell it. It smells amazing. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Not even a drop of water. See that? Tastes amazing. Smells. Polina, how does it smell here?
It smells incredible.
It smells delicious.
So delicious.
We still have 1 more hour to go, okay? And I'll keep you posted. An hour and a half passed by. Just checking what's going on. Putting a little juice on inside. Otherwise everything looking good. See that? Looking beautiful. All right, the food is ready. Look who's back. My wife made it just on time. The food was supposed to cook 2 hours, so I hold it on a warm fire for another like 15 minutes until my wife came. So the food is ready. We're gonna bring it inside, open it up and see what it looks like. I'm gonna open it up and see what's going on. Oh, beauty, beauty. Looking good. Look at this beauty. My lamb is falling apart. Food is ready. Okay, now we're gonna taste it, okay? I'll start with the potatoes.
I'll go with 8.
Let me try.
It's hot.
Amazing. Amazing, great.
Oh
I know
my God.
I always say amazing, amazing. You guys
God.
might think I'm joking, but put me to test. Okay. Delicious.
Oh my God.
Okay, now I'm gonna try the
It's so good.
chicken. Hold on.
Now I'm gonna try the potato.
As usual, Polina is videotaping.
Oh my God. I love chickpeas.
Amazing. Wow. Very, very tasty.
So delicious.
Okay, now my favorite part is the lamb.
And I'll have a little jalapeno.
Okay, the lamb. Melts in your mouth. I want to say salute to you guys. So my wife gonna finish off by saying,
And this concludes this video. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy it and hope you guys gonna try it out. I know a lot of you, actually even today, somebody was telling me that how much they enjoy your videos and they look forward for new ones. I was very happy to hear that. So if you guys would like to follow us, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the notification bell so you get notified when we post our tutorials. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it and share with your friends. And I think this should be it.
Yep.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Salud, guys.